For all you stock and option traders, I would like to show you something. But first, happy Easter to you all. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is April 15th, tax day at 8:40 a.m. This is first, what you're looking at is what we call swing machine. This is a robot assisted trading device. It isn't a red light, green light system. It doesn't guarantee profits. Please understand that. It is a robot assisted trading device. It helps you, or is meant to help you, make decisions to buy or sell anything in the market. Those could be futures contracts, those could be stocks, those could be options on an interval of your choosing. Now you're probably looking up at those positions saying, what's he got up there? Well, let me show you exactly what we did. And we did this with our members in full view some weeks ago. Now some of them may have done this very same trade, maybe they modified it. This is the S&P right here, S&P cash. The interval, a daily. And yes, on Swing Machine, it is lighting up as a short entry here. Not confirmed yet. It's still technically long, but getting ready to start trending down. But that isn't the signal that we took to put on what you're seeing up above, and I'm going to show you. As we come across, this gives our traders information pertinent to the trend. But in addition, we have a tool that we have added to our other radars and are adding to Swing Machine. That is the fair gauge. And this tells us on whatever the market is, whatever the interval is, but namely a daily, where the panic column is, where euphoria is, and where the axis is. So back a few weeks ago, the S&P, if you can believe it, was way up here, way in euphoria. And when we have markets or stocks in euphoria, the one thing that we know, it's not a guarantee, but the likelihood is some 95% likelihood over the next 20 some odd days, it will come back toward the mean. So what do? What we did was to purchase, and I'm going to show you, we purchased a put. That's what you see up here. We bought a put. For what date? We bought a 4610 for April 25th. It expires not on Monday, but a week from Monday. We still have about 10 days left. This put at the time we bought it was about 25 days. And I'll show you what the cost was and how we handled it. We were fortunate. We came under a little bit of pressure for a day or so, and then the price started to fall. When it fell, started to work down, we went in and we sold a 40, actually it was a 44.50. A 40, let's see, yes, it was a 44.50. And and we received a credit of credit. When the market bounced, we took advantage of the bounce and we closed the put that we had sold, and we pocketed about $1,200 or $1,300. Then the market hung up there again, and then the market started to drop again. This time we sold, to protect ourselves, not to be too greedy, a 43.50 put, creating basically a put spread. Now the market has fallen. So let me show you on TradeStation's beautiful tool called Option Pro what that trade looks like today. So here is Option Pro. This is the very first put that we put on, the 4610. We did this now 15 days ago, a little over 2 weeks, when the market was trading as we described at 4610. We paid $7,780. Now we sold a few days later a put lower and we closed it. It's not shown here. We collected about $1,200 or $1,300. And we did show our members that. Then we turned around a few days later when the market started to fall and we sold another put at 43.50 and we received a credit of $4,000. How does this look when you combine it? Now this is the neat thing about TradeStation. I can click on this position, move it on top of that one, and there it recognizes the two legs for what they are. A vertical put spread. One, April 25th, 4610, 43.40. I bought this one, I sold this one. I have 10 days left. My entire position is up 14,310, and my total cost, because I received a credit, my total cost is $3,720. That is a beautiful thing. Why? That is my sweet spot for my profit factor. I love to get that profit factor, especially on options if I can. Certainly above 2, but this is a 5, profit factor of 5. Risking $3,700. Hopefully we'll close soon. We're expiring close to $15,000. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We are diversified in how we trade, and we trade mechanically, robotically, and we share our approach and our tools with folks who want to take control over this part of their life. We are not a broker. We're not a financial advisor. We're not handing out the fish per se. We will show on occasion, from an educational standpoint, how we're structuring some of these trades. We are a mentoring site. Feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263, if you think we can help you. Good luck.